And here is the Sviota Vede excavator, with a telescopic boom on a MAN chassis, which successfully passed all tests and was certified according to all standards. The development is an excavator with a universal chassis which together are ideal for work in almost any conditions. These are difficult road conditions requiring constant maneuvering and harsh climate and long distances. It is due to its versatility that MAN is so popular, and that is why its use with an excavator superstructure seems to be the most effective. By the way, MAN chassis are actively used in construction, oil and gas production and transportation structures, due to their reliability and versatility. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, a robot reviews blueprints of the house, and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused. Producing waste glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. The Matterhorn Gotthard Bond vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode, with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Foucault Tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is acquired. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people on one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. This TMR Glier mix truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dry distillate grain additives, fries byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage with a rugged walking tandem, with dual tires and optional brakes. Hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feed lots. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck, that is. Such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface, with an area of 28,000 meters square, will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity, and these are excellent figures. Now we will talk about the JCB demo dump truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kola diesel engine with electric starter is a real fine smart step. Offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. EnviroBinder is a unique erosion control product that works well in long-term applications and provides immediate surface protection results. It penetrates and binds to soil particles to form a strong interlocking structure. Once the polymer dries, a strong weather-resistant surface is formed, binding the surface and preventing erosion. Incidentally, the effect of life of erosion control is usually 6 months, but in some cases, the product works for 18 to 24 months at a time. You are looking at a one-of-a-kind machine that will be an indispensable addition to any fleet. The Extreme Soil King 2020 spreader is safe, versatile and durable. This machine is unrivaled in the field of stone spreading, so all work with it will be much safer and more efficient than with any other machine on the market. The machine has a 30 cubic yard capacity when hauling lighter materials. With its unique body design and multifunctional material beam, one operator can accurately handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand and other materials through wireless communication. Hobby recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450 but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons, depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design, and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. I think it's clear to everyone that chopping firewood is not just chopping, and chopping with the right machine. Sharp cutting tools and daily optimal technique settings, it is still possible to produce wood chips. But how do you make it better than all the others? With the Force Profi machine, of course. It is with this machine that the perfect wood chips are produced for a wide variety of uses like wood gasification, fuel fall protection, playpen coverings, pavings, etc. The wood chips produced by Force Profi are also good because they have excellent characteristics and are easy to cut, not break and shatter. This innovative model is a self-propelled, tracked lift truck model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. Crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum and level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. Multi-mobile from probes is simply ideal for economical and precise paving of slabs. The technique is suitable for concrete slabs, natural stone slabs with exposed aggregates, large pavers and ecological pavers. The machine allows effortless paving as the lifting and lowering is carried out by a vacuum hose hoist. Another advantage is the precise positioning of the slabs through a smooth-moving slewing crane with a very low load capacity. By the way, slabs that have already been laid can easily be lifted. Again, Mobile can easily lay up to 300 square meters of tiles per day. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic, because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD Series S naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known Multi-One strengths, versatility and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new Multi-One mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just two companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Supersucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site, where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. The Noah-Q Botswall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring, mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks weighs up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as cleaning roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. The CT Model 718 compost header sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls and easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras, plus a mainframe with a lower machine height for better transportability. The Rock Hog version of the Model 1150 has been designed for continuous, open-pit mining. The drum of this powerful machine is 312 centimeters wide, which is wide as used in excavation projects in open pits. The machine has an operating weight of 50 metric tons, a 440 horsepower engine, a lift cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trendtronic version 5.0 equipment. Meet the R3 Impact Crusher. The innovative machine design has won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award, the German Design Prize Award, and the Big C Award. And thanks to innovative technologies such as zero-emission electric drive system, high safety and environmental standards, as well as a powerful and functional design, the R3 can be called the best impact tool in the world. Camrock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rocks. Camrock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rock up to 120 megapascal and reinforced concrete. Thanks to the two high-torque motors, high-performance figures are achieved. Interestingly, the BMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. With 535 horsepower and a 55-ton operating weight, the Caterpillar Model E36K landfill compactor delivers the highest level of reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and efficiency in its class. As a representative of a family of machine that has been performing work on landfills for more than 20 years, this model is equipped with proof and technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. This type of sweeper from Verizon is the leading machine in the Runway Sweeper product group. The RS400 is designed for maximum power and performance. It offers impressive functionality, high reliability, and minimal operating expenses. RS400 can be found at many of the world's major airports. They set the standard when it comes to optimizing snow removal fleets in terms of number of machines and cleaning efficiency. you want to effectively control the loss of thousands of tons of topsoil on your plot of land, no problem with the farmer's Zerot laser machine. Of course, leveling the fields offers great advantages for areas with such a useful topsoil. And you want to ensure at least 50 to 60% more efficient use of irrigation water. So it is thanks to laser leveling. The technique in front of you allows you to supply irrigation water to each plant equally, which significantly increases the overall productivity of work. When developing the sweeper MS-130, special attention was paid to maximum economics and high cleaning performance, combined with maximum economy. Such performance is not only due to the efficient engine but also to the patented eco-efficiency mode, in which the engine shaft speed, hydraulic performance, and sweeping system are optimally combined. Let's talk about Chemrock's mounted rotary cutters. I'll tell you right away that when working with rotary cutters, each tool penetrates the rock in parallel lines, destroying the materials from the space between the lines. The cutting speed depends on the uniaxial compressive strength of the rock being broken. A significant factor that also affects productivity is the pressure and oil flow that the excavator applies to the attachment, as well as the weight and stability of the equipment itself. Now you can watch on your screens how the DZR from the Japanese company Nipla works. In fact, in front of you is a unique agricultural machine that is being used to create a dam on a hilly rice field. Everything to further build an embankment in Japan. You see a modern harvester for harvesting walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, and apples. X16. Despite the small size of this model, it combines all the advantages of harvesting equipment at an affordable price. Equipped with the largest generation engine, the X16 is highly productive in harvesting. Thanks to the multiple cleaning stages performed during the process, the fruit enters the hopper already clean. In the field and garden, the ideal tool for tilling the soil is the turf trimmer or sod trimmer. In fact, it is equipment for removing the top layer of soil. If you are an experienced gardener or owner of large areas of agricultural plantings, then turfing should be much better and deeper. And you can achieve this with a variety of machines. You'll see it all on the screens below. Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper, with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission, and the fact that the scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. And the scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. Now let's take a look at the 4045 T-Series chain trencher from Interdrain in action. This is a muddy machine indeed, and it can easily handle such a task as laying a 15-inch Clark farm drainage flexible agricultural slab. As you can see from the footage, nothing is impossible for the technological giant. The machine is also equipped with GPS auto grading, which is a huge advantage in this kind of work. Just look at these two powerful loaders from Sandvik. The first, the Model 115, is the most compact 18-ton loader on the market, powered by battery energy. Its dimensions correspond to the 14-ton capacity class, so it can work in a 4.5 by 4.5 meter tunnel. This is what a proven tree care solution looks like. Without disrupting traffic, the compact 718E series models operate with high reliability at Cinnabogan in the UK. Whether picking up and cutting at a height of 13 meters thanks to the telescopic boom, or simply grading on the ground, the 7EIGHTENE is easy to operate and has a wide range of applications. The Kaiser S12 series excavator, specially designed for work in inaccessible terrain, has the ability to drive as well as walk. In fact, it has a rotating platform with a cab, power plant and boom equipment, placed on a lower frame with the original wheel travel. The machine has an operating weight of just over 10 tons, and is equipped with a Perkins diesel engine with 175 horsepower, by the way. In extreme conditions, the wheels can be removed to ensure the stability of the equipment. You see a trailed beat sweeper cleaning up medium and small areas for 40XL from the popular brand Charrington. The principle of its work is simple: to sift sand and pick up debris in its hopper. The machine is also towed by a tractor of medium traction class. Furthermore, this model is perfect for cleaning beach, sports grounds, equestrian areas, and even in agriculture. Just look at this Metalcraft land transport scraper, which is designed for layer-by-layer digging of soil. Its transportation and backfilling in layers of the desired thickness on the site. Such a machine, in combination with a tractor, perfectly develops soil of 1 to 2 categories, from black soil to heavy clay. If the soil is of a denser category, you should first develop the soil with a special ripper. The CAT Model 637 K-wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emissions standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. Introducing Bebop, a groundbreaking technology for cleaning beach areas, near seas and oceans, developed by the robotics experts at Polaro Marine. In fact, it is an eco-friendly device, specially designed to clean and restore shorelines, without harming the environment. The 100% electric Bebop is powered by battery and solar energy, so it produces no harmful emissions. And this machine can also be used on beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. Nemo is a fully hydrostatic beach cleaner operating on board, extremely maneuverable and practical to use, even in very confined spaces. It is controlled by 2 joysticks that allow you to adjust speed, direction, and working depth. The machine is equipped with a fixed blade that collects sand and debris at the required depth and width of 100 centimeters. They are fed to a vertically moving sieve, which allows the waste to be left in the collection container and the clean sand to be dumped out. This is what a powerful and efficient 8-wheel forwarder from Jarkrock Magna Pro looks like. The developers claim that their brainchild has low ground pressure. What does that mean? You may ask. At least that the technique can be used even in young forest and all 4 seasons, and agree this is great news. The Brewer 4000 is just the right combine to bring more efficiency to your business. And that's not idle talk. The fact is that this sod harvester easily produces pallet after pallet of small bales, measuring 4159 or 61 centimeters. The manufacturer has also upgraded the stacking system by making it robotic. This allows it to painlessly move the same rolls to the rear pallets. As they say, everything is easy, simple, and as affordable as possible. "130 tons of selected weight, an excellent option for transporting giant radio telescopes. Alma Transporter, with its incredible load capacity, can be safely called, though most real heavyweight. But the most surprising thing is that, with such large dimensions, the technique rides very smoothly and safely. It is on these 2 indicators that the main bet was made when creating the transporter, because the cargoes it transports have too high price. When you look at this design, you are reminded of horse ships with a stem and straps. It is not clear why a solid fence is needed on the nose of the new Dramus D150T tractor, but it is obvious that this powerful beast was created to ensure the best performance, maximum reliability, and safety. Did you say it's an eye-looking machine, perhaps? but in fact it is needed for quite specific tasks. This ground bucket ladder dredger allows its owner to effectively extract sand and gravel from wet quarries. Moreover, the technique can descend into the ground, even at a distance of 14 meters, and this cannot fail to place. The Doosan amphibious excavator offers unsurpassed maneuverability in soft ground and swamps, with high buoyancy and stability. The drive system of this monster is possible, 2 or 4 motor, and its hardened rollers of the crawler chain move on special pontoon channels with hard astral-like coating. This is truly a machine that you can watch work forever. You see a first-class shuffling machine that is designed for agricultural projects, creating gardens, breaking up interfering layers, or mixing different layers of soil. Depending on the application, the 135 series shuffling machine can be equipped with mixing plates for intensive mixing, standard shuffle blades or narrow shuffle blades, breaking layers with minimal mixing. In addition, this machine is equipped with wheels for road transportation. The Lodal telehandler is the largest machine of its kind in the entire JCB range. The technique is equipped with a Fawn trackway dispenser kit for the roadway used to roll out the tracks, opening up access to an area that conventional wheeled machines would not be able to traverse. Grimy offers the Veritron 4 74-rows self-propelled combined harvester, which can be equipped with a wide range of separators. The Veritron 470 is highly maneuverable, thanks to its wheel chassis, which is equipped with large capacity tires as standard and provides maximum soil protection in all conditions. Jar Crack Echo showed the world their new harvester with crawler chassis, crane and cutter bar. This forest harvester will help you easily handle all thinning work, and that means you'll be very productive. The Agbot you see on your screens is an autonomous tractor for specialized and standard mounted implements, designed for Category 3 rear linkage and Category 2 front linkage. The working width is up to 6 meters, depending on the type of implement used, and the track width is up to 3.2 meters. Tiling the ground near curbs and ditches has always been a challenge. But with a Mahalik mower, nothing is impossible. In addition, this versatile machine is also used for cable laying, landscaping, grounding, agricultural and even roadworks. As for the maneuverability of the machine on rough terrain, it is a source of pride for the company. Green Mountaineer, great name by the way. In fact, it is a remotely controlled tracked mulcher and slope mower. The technique can be equipped with various cutting heads such as chain mowing, finishing head or forestry head. Ideal for maintaining green areas, roadsides and highways, especially in awkward or dangerous places. Are you on a tight schedule? No problem, because the Optimus T11 for tile laying is extremely fast without losing any quality at all. The machine is maneuverable, easy to maintain, and no problem for those learning to operate it. I would call the Optimus T11 an easy start, and mechanized tiling for those who want to work with a new model of highly reliable technology. You must agree that the stylish look of this big guy is impressive, and its updated technical traction characteristics are a real pride for Massey Ferguson brand. We also note that in its class, the MF87-37 is one of the most powerful tractors in the world. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modded agricultural machinery. By its quietness, you have to agree, but it looks no less impressive. The Heliodor compact disc harrow from Limken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seed bed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seed bed. In combination with the Solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage. These features make the Heliotur a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. Different forestry machines have their advantages, but the new John Deere Harvester 1.270G is truly the best in its field. It is not afraid of steep slopes or rough terrain. The machine has been modernized to such an extent that it uses a minimum of fuel while delivering maximum power. This all-rounder performs pallet transport, 1,600 kilograms for pallets up to 1,320 millimeters wide, and weightless, precise and economical, paving for concrete and natural stone elements. Weighing up to 140 kilograms, optionally up to 200 kilograms. Ideal for stones, concrete paving stones and natural and wall stones. Large paving stones for gutters. Open Landscape Day is a kind of interesting event, made possible by Brillmeyer. At this celebration of life a few years ago, a new range of 15 machines with different attachments was presented. Everything was top-notch, and every customer was able to learn in more detail how wood meadows and marshes can be maintained with new technology. The new bolt-tech anchored drilling machines are available in two models, the M10 and E10. They are designed to increase rock productivity and the quality of anchor installation, thanks to intelligent options and compatibility with different types of anchor bolts. The new control panel has reduced noise levels and improved operator visibility. The Airwetter DMW 220 cutting disc mounted on a 50-ton excavator is ideal for a wide variety of works, including demolition of various buildings. The technique is capable of qualitatively separating very sensitive concrete elements, which facilitates timely demolition of objects. The machine you now see on your screen is designed to feed round bales, up to 2 meters in diameter, and weighing just over a ton. It is equipped with a hydraulic loading arm and a two-toothed spear to lift and place the bale on the table. The loading arm can also be used to carry a second bale into the field. Once placed on the table, the apron chain rotates the bale as the tines of the drum untangle the hay. Ready to see the largest and most powerful four-wheel drive tractor John Deere has ever produced. Please note the 8850 has a completely unconventional engine design, an advanced power takeoff, and a 3-point linkage with load and depth control. The tractor really impresses with its characteristics. You can see that the manufacturers have tried their best. The machine, like the robot tractor, was named Agbot as a result of long tests. The machine was equipped with a 4-cylinder, water-cooled Dutz diesel engine with an output of 156 horsepower. Powerful unit turned out to be, however. The motor, by the way, is installed in the center of the robot, directly under the hood. The unit has an electric transmission, and instead of replaceable tracks, it has 2 wide wheels, which increase the cross-country ability, and at the same time reduce the pressure on the ground. The newest version of Maga Automatic is a machine with an automatically folding canopy, which is designed to work in orchards with any arrangement of trees in a row. This technique guarantees almost 100% efficiency of harvesting and preservation of high quality of harvested fruit. Harvesting with this machine is performed by shaking fruits and berries thanks to a shaker on the canopy, extended under the tree. This Ultra Air Blast sprayer is rightly called the best machine for controlling all kinds of pests. Sunvas farmlands. The main feature of this machine is its minimal labor cost. A single driver can easily and efficiently operate the wide capacity sprayer from the cab. Seed Hawk is a precision pneumatic seeder that delivers unrivaled accuracy on all soil conditions. Whether practicing no-till, minimum tillage or conventional tillage, The Seedhawk's innovative pneumatic, trailer-mounted bar seeding system delivers exceptional seed and fertilizer application in a single pass. The result is faster and more uniform sprouting, better quality and higher yields, increasing your farm's return on investment. The latest advances in technology have been utilized in the production of the Robocot. The company's new machine relies on one simple rule: to work successfully even in difficult terrain, dangerous areas and areas with limited access. So your work with this machine will definitely be faster, smarter, harder, more productive than ever before. The Stout Smart Cultivator is a software-controlled tractor implement that uses machine vision and artificial intelligence to cultivate in wheat fields. With mechanical knives. The AI model recognizes each weed and each plane individually. The 2-meter wide version has an output of 2.81 hectares per hour at 2.5 kilometers per hour. And those are cool numbers. The ASA lift-trailed carrot, parsnip and beet harvester has been designed so that all rotating implements have sufficient clearance around them. This has resulted in a significant reduction in cleaning time and wear. The engineers also equipped the machine with a special Royal clamping system boomerang type lever that automatically maintains belt tension and absorbs shock loads. The stunning Dutchman straight blade machine is ideal for digging up and carrying small trees. State-of-the-art technology, computerized sketches and stress analysis have played their part in creating an elegant, compact and robust unit that represents a solid and reliable investment. What can a time-tested concept for a reliable machine look like? Exactly what the Dua MK24 looks like. It is complemented by an interaxle, universal cutting arm, as well as a front under-rail mower. By combining all this together, the manufacturer has ensured that the operator can perform 2 separate mowing operations at the same time with both devices. This is very convenient as it significantly reduces working time. You need professional green planting and don't know how best to do it. The Horsepronto is a SW machine with 2 disc holters and a large working width of 8 to 12 meters. Do you agree? The dimensions of the equipment are impressive. Believe me, the quality of workmanship will pleasantly surprise you, no less. Dutch brand Lully Welker has named its brainchild Tornado. And for good reason. Why? Just because it is the first combination of baler, an automatic variable chamber wrapper that is fully customized to meet multiple needs of the consumer. The Tornado has been equipped with an improved 800mm cutting rotor, which has a direct impact on overall productivity. After winter, any meadows need some establishment and extra care. Now is the time to make it easier on yourself and use the new Agbot from the popular company AGC. With a new Guttler Greenmaster 300, you are completely unleashing your hands. The fact that the technique is equipped with intelligent digital planning which helps you create the most efficient route to save energy and C, plus lightweight wide tires and low pressure. Everything your soil deserves. In this video, a Kaweco slurry tanker semi-trailer with a capacity of 30,000 liters is operated. That's an impressive figure, isn't it? This powerful tanker is equipped with a 36-meter Vocal Sang boom, which is also a special feature. As for the tank itself, it is filled by refueling tanks on the technological tracks, everything to achieve maximum spreading performance. Asterix is an autonomous field robot designed for vegetable care. The robot uses machine vision and a new and unique ultra-precise nozzle technology to spray drops of herbicide on each individual weed. And mind you, not on the crop or the soil. This will reduce the amount of herbicide used by about 95%, which is also a huge advantage for this technique. The CAT D11 bulldozer is characterized by higher productivity at a lower cost than the previous model. Its new load-controlled hydraulic system gives the machine more power, improving responsiveness and fuel efficiency. Integrated state-of-the-art technology turns the dozer into an intelligent machine and gives operators more data, allowing them to work at maximum productivity. Not only teenagers like to organize real battles. Now you will see a real battle of a snowplow with 100 pumpkins immediately. Note that the fruits were defective and were not suitable for further use, so the technique simply ripped into small pieces of large pumpkins, sparing none of them to say that it looks spectacular. Perhaps nothing to say. The wood chipper is now used by many public utilities, for which the chopping of branches or the uprooting of stubborn stumps is one of the main tasks in the spring and fall. That's why Yutara Attachments decided to show the world its Vortex stump grinder, which copes perfectly with all the tasks at hand. The demolition machine from Kobelco can make light work of tall buildings. This model features a unique 3-piece separate boom, hydraulic piping, and the exclusive Next attachment system. This powerful kit greatly simplifies assembly and disassembly for easy setup and teardown. The machine presented by Fasterhold is a self-propelled irrigator with a turbine engine. It is built on a new undercarriage with reinforced rear axle and a Nortoft electronic control. This technique is already known for its reliability, and all thanks to the use of advanced technology. The main advantage of the model is that it is equipped with very long hoses and a new turbine with high efficiency, which provides energy and low pressure drop. No competitor can match the ability of the Loch Ness grain bag unloader to load a 1,000 bushel trailer in about 7 minutes. It's a performance that simply breaks all conventional wisdom. As for the special advantages of the machine, it is worth highlighting its stability in terms of transportation between sites, quick setup and easy maintenance. Meet the Automax self-propelled tracked harvester for harvesting corn salad. This machine is a tracked carriage. Unfixed rollers are movable if desired. The steel track, 270 centimeters long, can vary in width and be 20, 25 or 30 centimeters. The engine of the harvester is diesel, with a power of 74 horsepower. Steering and forward movements are controlled by a multi-function joystick. No. You see a mounted stem trimmer from Rabic, which is perfect for excavators from 4.5 to 8 tons. The disc thickness is 20 millimeters. The teeth size 5, 7 and 9. Made of carbide, which can be used 3 times, until completely worn out. There will be no additional cost for a third hydraulic line, and the angular gear mounted directly on the disc is designed to increase power. Despite its large working width, the Orbis 900 from Claas adapts optimally to the soil topography. Thanks to the flat mounting angle, with 2-stage adjustment, and the very flat design, a stubble height of up to 80 millimeters can be achieved for this reason. And due to the use of small and large 3-stage feed discs, this machine model can be used for both maize harvesting and leaf silage. The Optimeer independent disc double cultivator is a pioneer in the field of soil tillage. However, this machine already has certain competitive advantages. First, it has an improved throughput of all types of crop residues to maximize the straw's soil mixture and accelerate their decomposition. The cultivator also features exceptional work with quality with unequal penetration and a large clearance to prevent the risk of clogging. Next in our queue is a new Israeli project called Meadow Motion, a multifunctional robot for greenhouses. A program movement system helps the robot to move carefully around the greenhouse in addition to picking tomatoes. It can pollinate the plants, monitor their condition and remove shoots. The device can work in farms with several greenhouses, moving from one room to another. The 12-ton all-terrain vehicle, Trom 20, is a real industrial monster that can easily cope with any, even the most difficult task. Its main feature is the unique ultra-low pressure tires, which are designed specifically for floating, all-terrain vehicles. This machine is capable of mowing dense grass in other plants on steep slopes. The H27 Panther can also mow wild shrubs, heats plants with woody stems and small trees. With a pole diameter of up to 7 centimeters, the machine has a welded mowing deck with a working width of 100 centimeters, equipped with reverse mowing blades fixed on the edges of the holders. The Speed Sprayer Garden Sprayer is the ideal self-contained equipment for pest control. The two four-wheel steering type and minimum turning radius make this machine a great solution for high-density gardens. This machine also has the largest cab space of any machine of the same level from other companies. Remove unwanted stones from the fields. No problem with the new Degelman Series Rotary Stone Harvester. This technological giant is the flagship model on the company's product line. This versatile assistant can be used on fields with any degree of stoniness, as it removes stones of all sizes, from the smallest to the largest boulders. Kirby BPS is a new generation fixed hammer stone crusher. It is equipped with 10 synchronized CPC-type belts, which are more wear resistant and designed for long life. The weight of the unit is about 200 kilograms, which allows it to sink deeper into the ground and keep level for deeper and better crushing. At the same time, the stone crusher does not lose its maneuverability at all. The Kemrock EK 140 chain cutter is the first of its kind on the market. It was designed for use on excavators from 1.5 to 70 tons. The machine is ideal for milling rock with a compressive strength of up to 100 megapascals. Efficient low vibration. This chain milling machine is adapted to the development of narrow trenches with an optimal wall profile. The width of such a trench can start from 480 millimeters. Another application of the EK 140 is the mining of medium hard rock, where no other drilling and blasting is possible. Do you want your hedges around your home to be in good condition at all times? Then you need this hedge trimmer for giant loaders and skid steer loaders. In fact, it's the perfect tool which, with its special hardened blades, can cut plants up to 3 centimeters cleanly and evenly. So don't worry about your investment, you'll be satisfied with the results. Tired of working hard in the vineyard? The Bacchus Vitabot is a fully autonomous robot that meets the most stringent environmental requirements and utilizes the most advanced tillage tools available. In short, a real boon for farmers. The agricultural robot you see on your screens is a great weed killer. Plus, it doesn't know the word herbicides. So farmers, take a good look at the Blue Bob, because it's the one that can make a big difference to your work. Back to the machinery from the popular Cat Company. They have introduced their Model 825C vibratory road roller. I can say definitely the machine is truly versatile, easy to operate and unpretentious in maintenance. The technique quickly adapts to any condition and task, performing reliable and effective compaction of the construction mixture. If your wooded area has unsightly stumps, minimal trees or scattered debris, a mulching machine will do an impressive job of clearing the land. This process is performed flush with the ground, so you will quickly cope with the task and move on to a new stage of construction. By the way, such munchers are suitable for installation on different types of excavators, tractors, and mini loaders. The new Trio Track M feed mixer, presented recently by the company's engineers, has a fundamentally new feed loading system. When designing the model, the developers decided to abandon the old design, as the mixer would have turned out to be incredibly long. The highlight of this machine is the high precision scales, which allows you to strictly observe the proportions of the feed mass to ensure an optimal diet for the animals. The HS80 300 excavator is specially designed for heavy mining applications. In dragline mode, the Liberope excavator impresses with its high productivity. Its hydraulic accumulator enables energy to be recovered during operation with the dragline bucket. This reduces fuel consumption and wear on the free dump winch. And now take a close look at the animation of the ETF D4 dump truck to demonstrate the capabilities of all-wheel drive. In its other charms, the machine rushes in off-road conditions, and as we can see, quite effectively. Discover the latest Generation 3 models at once of trailed rotary tethers from Krone, with working widths from 9 meters to 11.2 meters. These machines offer unrivaled productivity and efficiency in forwards processing. The design concept of the Ventros series is combined with innovative and proven technical features and unrivaled ease of use to ensure maximum operational reliability, efficiency, and excellent forage quality. The Dredge King is the largest slurry removal vessel and can be used in multifunctional ways for dredging. The 4 hydraulic supports ensure high stability during operation due to the optimal use of the supports. The slurry dinghy can be loaded independently, so no crane is required. Oxbow's Pixel bean harvester is a marvel of productivity. This single-row bowling machine allows for maximum mechanized harvesting of fresh market beans. It uses the same technology as the VPC headers. This technological advanced Pixel greatly increases efficiency. ENS saves labor. The model also provides a fast, high picking volume, along with gentle and exceptional quality. With high load capacity and increased cross-country ability. In fact, the new TRR Model 22 is a self-propelled machine with hygrostatic drive. On the road, this excavator has an excellent turning radius, which makes it easy to maneuver and makes it easier to get on the rails. The excavator can lift 6 tons up to 4.5 meters from the center of the track in an unfavorable slope situation. And consequently, the machine is perfectly capable of handling heavy equipment or working off track. Remember friends, this is what a high-performance mulcher should look like. A multi-purpose device for shredding branches or vines after pruning, as well as weeds, leaves and grass in the rows of your garden or vineyard. This equipment can be easily connected to the PTO of your tractor and makes an extremely effective combo with it. The SC600 stump grinder is a professional attachment mounted on a track tractor. In fact, you see before you an innovative tool that significantly increases the efficiency of stump grinding, saving you time and money. The fact is that the rotary cutter shreds and presses all woody debris into the ground to the point where there are virtually no holes or voids left. Once again Degelman, and once again the company has raised the level with the LR-X series. The exclusive patented power folded hydraulic system has made moving their rollers in the road to the working position a breeze. The nearly 1 meter diameter drum includes all the same heavy-duty features as the company's other high-capacity rollers. What's new? Penna minimum reinforced cylinders and large shafts and durable bearings. A ground-mounted earth-moving machine of this size, and even equipped with electronic control, will undoubtedly break through any surface. With a terrain leveler earth-moving attachment, this giant can be successfully used for surface mining, construction site preparation, pavement removal, or land reclamation. If you buy a mini loader from Atera, you don't have to worry anymore. You will definitely be one of the best when it comes to building fences. The equipment will be an ideal assistant for drilling holes for posts, mixing and pouring cement. Efficient, complex, productive. My answer is unequivocal, of course, yes. Think harvesting almonds and pistachios from 9 trees in a minute. Is mission impossible? Well, it's not. With a self-propelled harvester from Tenius Harvester, anything is possible. I'm sure no one could refuse such a speedy helper. Let's discuss what are the main advantages of the Libra R90 400 mining excavator. Firstly, the manufacturers note its large digging depth, which significantly increases the productivity of the machine. It is impossible to ignore the working volume of the bucket and the crawler base after all. It is these components that make the machine truly stable. It's nice when a machine is so versatile that it can handle a variety of jobs with ease. Trenching, pipe installation, grounding and many other tasks are perfectly easy. For Ditch Witch machines, their new SK750 is the perfect partner to take out all the dirty and difficult jobs. Plus, the machine is as comfortable to operate as possible, which is important. With this model, Pottinger has implemented a unique hybrid technology. The front rotor drive of the machine is hydraulic, and the rear rotor drive is mechanical. The same applies to the rotor unit unloading system. This allows for a more gentle impact on the turf and less stress on the rotor unit. Richter produced not only in large factories, but also by hydraulic press machines. It consists of the metal structure itself, a hydraulic power unit, an electric console, a stacker, and several molds for the production of the material. Thanks to this approach, Richter produced quickly and efficiently. Tired of breaking your back picking strawberries every year? That's no longer a problem, because the innovative Agribody series autonomous robot will gladly do all the hard work for you. Most importantly, these harvesters do not touch the berries themselves in the process, so the percentage of damage is extremely low. And the robot harvester has learned to determine the degree of fruit maturity on its own. What do we know about the 4-rotor rake we see on the screen? Firstly, we know that the manufacturer of this machine is Kubota. We also know that the RA4513 has been equipped with a rare combination of a flexible rotor, support arm, and 3-dimensional suspension, which provides unrivaled terrain following and clean raking. The Scania Axle unmanned concept vehicle is designed for use in mines and large closed construction sites, which are optimal for fully autonomous transport. This model streamlines the transportation of goods, improves plant efficiency, and reduces environmental impact. The design of the machine does not include a traditional driver's cabin, but is replaced by an intelligent front module. Speaking of the coolest machinery, one cannot fail to mention the Titan Company. This manufacturer creates all kinds of machines, with correct proportions, excellent stability, special maneuverability, and high productivity. They cope perfectly with the task of crushing different fertilizer materials and covering it evenly on the fields. Well, what could be more important in agriculture? Just look at the technological monsters that the well-known company Krone has released into the world. Its new machines, ranging from 687 to 1,156 horsepower, are truly impressive. These heavy-duty forage harvesters are characterized by high efficiency and productivity, as well as a high mark can be given to the quality of crop chopping. On top of all of this, we should not forget the high comfort and easy handling of these machines. Let's move on to the Garford electric weeder, and straight to its advantages. A 8 mm of precision from the plant stem is sufficient, because weeds that are less than 8 mm away cannot compete with the plant. Thus, this machine provides effective weed control throughout the entire field. The machine is ideal for farmers growing lettuce and vegetables without or with reduced application of chemicals, allowing effective weed control and saving money, as manual liper is usually pricier. The unique OXP060 combine offers unique advantages, such as a high tunnel, a movable cab and extended working length, a full-size pickup system, and smooth catch plates. The 4-wheel drive system offers harvesting speeds of up to 6.5 km per hour and highway speeds of up to 22.5 km per hour to get to the next field as quickly as possible. The Oxbow 6420 also offers many other standard features designed to keep the machine productive and deliver aloes from the tree to the processor as quickly as possible.